started.
This time on Surf and Turf.
How'd you drop your phone?
The bolt.
Cheers.
This is not good. That's right. I'm the captain now.
Yeah. What'd you do?
How much money you want to bet it's going to start right now? Well, let me explain what happened first. First, we're about to turn into the Marina, and then the engine didn't start. So we whipped the bitch, got the wind behind us, and just headed outbound so I could work on the engine. And now, turn the key, hold the button, fires right up. It might shut off. I gotta get down here.
How was it?
Do you really want to know?
Yeah.
We left the stop switch out. You know the one you pull, the manual one?
Yeah.
It was pulled all the way out so it won't start.
Oh my God.
Yeah. When I got down here and I saw the position of it, I was like, okay. You got me today, Trebek.
That's funny.
But on the bright side, that won't happen again. Until it happens again.
Well, we're getting ready to take off, and with our what is that?
The bolt that holds this through the bow, that holds the pulpit. Yeah, that's what's left of it. I guess it rusted all the way through and the head popped off as I was tightening it. So it didn't actually need to be tightened. The bolt stretched. That's why it was loose. So, damn it, I just wanted to go sailing. So now we got a hole. Look, I'll show you. You can see the water. Yep, that's the water down there.
Did the other part go in the water?
Oh yeah, it's gone. So now let me get out of here. Good and sweaty. We get to go outside now and see the damage. We gotta stop. So I do have a bolt. It's bronze for the chain plate. So we're gonna stick a bronze bolt in. And it'll be cool because over time it'll turn green.
Oh.
I'm excited. Okay. You're gonna be on the inside of the boat. I am gonna go to the outside and I'm gonna shove this through the hole and I'm gonna push really hard without falling in the water. And then you have to put these on the inside. This washer first, then this washer, then the nut.
Okay.
You gotta crawl across the mess first. Should I record on my phone real quick while I'm out there?
Yeah.
Where's my phone? I don't know.
All right. My mission. I won't crawl up there. I just put all my stuff on this bed that I needed to go through because I didn't want it to be messy in the living room. And now I've got to crawl over all of it. This is terrible idea. How did he do this? Oh my God. All right. Here we are. There's the hole. And here are the little things I need to do. Ah, my hair's caught. Well, God damn it. All right, well, here I am just trying to not get my hair caught. And get up in this ditch so I can put these on. She needs to hurry up though. I'm getting hot already. Are you doing it yet? I think we'll do this. The smallest. How'd you drop your phone?
It was set up to film, and then I'm moving the boat, and a rope hit it. The part that sucks is I have to swim in the marina.
Hold on, that sucks.
go have some marina dive class.
Just a normal day.
This is David.
Just be careful.
Yeah. How am I gonna get out?
I don't know.
I give up.
You can't give up. So what do you want to do?
I'll go swimming in a thunderstorm near Sailboats.
How to be down there? What'd you hit it on? Got it! Fucking awesome.
It was right there.
What's this?
Oh, I got a sippy cup. I don't know if you like weird shit, so
You found me a weird
I
shit?
didn't fucking get you anything. So I gotta line this up. Stick a bolt in.
Okay.
So
Are we taking off in this wind?
it's a bear shit in the woods.
I mean, maybe. We're about to. You want to go out there and be in the storm?
I'll go get the bolt on you. You go crawl up in your hole again. Let's just get this bolt in. We'll leave after the storm passes.
Luckily, I have some rice. I'm hoping it helps this light too that we put in there. We'll see. All right, where's my wine? Climbing over a bunch of junk because I decided to use this for storage space. Okay, I see it almost. The biggest, the smallest. Oh no, I lost the fucking bolt. Oh shit.
You started?
Yeah, I dropped the bolt. I dropped it. I can feel it down here. Oh, right there. Oh, good shit, I found it. Oh. It's fine.
Are you able to turn it?
Barely, because this doesn't fit anywhere.
I need the headlamp, dude.
What if I do that?
Okay.
I like it now. I'm going to wear it all the time.
Did you just set a nut right here?
Yeah.
Why? Give me the headlamp.
Because I didn't know if I'd need a new nut.
You don't need a new nut. I told you you didn't need a new nut.
Give me that.
No,
That nut.
I'm gonna dig through this fucking chain.
Yeah, I already did that.
Yeah, so why would you set the nut right there?
We should hang out here more often.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Nice and bronze.
It's in.
Wow, let's fucking drink. I can't. This is why I can't stay healthy.
Well, that was fun. Well, would you look at this? As if dropping Jason's phone in the water wasn't enough, we're back to this problem. I thought we fixed it, but we didn't. The mast is super leaking.
Like what?
Yeah, it's like a puddle on the ground.
Seriously?
Not like a huge puddle, but there's like I gotta
Wipe it up?
not yet.
We'll wipe it up.
I thought you were gonna see it maybe.
Let's tie a towel around it to catch the water so it doesn't get on the floor. And then when it all dries up, we'll take the boot off, we'll put some 4200 on and reseal it.
Or do you need a bigger
I'm
towel?
gonna need more than that. Oh, it's all up in the wood.
Yeah. Trying to fix it in the rain.
they bring all their twigs and they block the drains. And then it rots the wood. Just gonna bring a pellet gun.
What?
So I'm just gonna bring a pellet gun to fix that.
We're not killing them.
I'm not killing them, I'm shooing them.
Get in here, you're fucking soaking wet.
See how it has these weird settings here?
Yeah, well that looks cool.
Well, I gotta figure out why those are there, but this means he's moving.
Oh.
I don't know how to turn it off. Hail.
Hail? Okay, just turn it off.
There it is. This is.
Where are we?
Oh. There it is. That's
Oh.
where it's happening. See, they said Surland.
Oh.
It's moving east. We're down here.
So is it gonna hit us or no?
No, we're right here.
We're in our own mini storm?
No, because this is all past north of us.
So it's gone.
No, this band's gonna hit us. We're right here. In here.
Oh, okay.
Stay safe, Mobile.
Gonna make some drinks. So. Got my cheap champagne. Got my Aperol. And I've got my cheap soda water. So Aperol Spritz is one of my favorite drinks, and I forgot about it until last night when we were at the bar, and I got one.
Tracking?
Whoop. Opa! Opa! Wait, why do they say that? Now, to make the perfect Aperol Spritz, you pour, I don't know. No, I didn't Google it. I think it's like, I don't know how much Aperol.
I know.
Or how much soda water.
Or how much spritz.
We're just gonna, I'm gonna make it look like.
You don't want to do too much alcohol. You want please do
How much soda water? Wow, that's looking a little spritzy. Yeah, and we'll just, gotta add a little more champagne for. I think it's just more champagne than anything. All right, that's how you make an Aperol Spritz. Cheers.
This is not good.
Cheers.
Go ahead and sip it. Not a fan.
More Aperol? More champagne?
Is that what it tasted like last night?
Maybe.
No, it's one of those nights. Okay.
This storm is like,
It's serious.
it's steady.
I saw lightning hit the bridge.
Really?
Yeah.
We'd also like to apologize for the unusual amount of barking in this episode. Apparently dropping bolts and phones brings out the whole different vocabulary aboard Koi Yukon. Don't worry, no dogs were harmed.